And breaking news, it's been over 55 days and still there is no trace of the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi. Sources telling Times now that Rahul Gandhi is set to return back tonight. Madhav tracking more of that story. So Madhav, will he really come back today? That's the key question perhaps everyone really wants to know, keeping in mind that it's, on the 19th, that it's a grand rally plan where perhaps the Congress really has announced that Rahul Gandhi will be in attendance.
Can confirm at this point of time is formally and officially the Congress saying that on 19th is when Rahul Gandhi would be present. There have been a lot of speculation over the past several days about his return, first on the 12th, then on 14th, and then of course reports coming about 2 days ago that it is on the 15th that he is expected to land here. But clearly, of course, what is now what we're given to understand is that perhaps could only happen later this evening when Rahul Gandhi does land back. But of course, we will have to wait and see if that announcement does happen, because what his office has been telling us is that if and when he does come back, we will in fact be told by them formally. Before that, no clear indication coming in of when the Congress Vice President really is likely to get back. So clearly, of course, preparations are in full swing for a huge rally on the 19th, where Rahul Gandhi is of course expected to be present. No clarity yet on really what the exact date of his arrival would be, but certainly sources indicating that could be as early as this evening.
Okay, and Madhav, the second obvious question is, when will that anointment happen? When are we going to see Rahul Gandhi, being promoted as the Congress president? Now, clearly, we've seen a split within the party, isn't it, when it comes to that? Because, Amrinder Singh from Punjab, also someone like Sandeep Dixit really has said that Sonia Gandhi must retain the presidency of the Congress.
Well, yes, absolutely. In fact, yesterday, Sheila Dikshit, of course, former Delhi Chief Minister, also coming out to say that as far as Sonia Gandhi is concerned, she is one leader with whom every section of the Congress is comfortable. And in fact, the way she can lead and get opposition parties together, unite all factions of Congress together.
Okay.